Hey folks, my name is Vitaly and I used to be a best-selling affiliate marketer for Clickbank, and there were 5 methods that I used to generate that success. First things first, here are 2 diplomas that Clickbank sent me on 2 different occasions, and the value of these diplomas basically was hundreds of thousands each, and I estimated that over the time that I was a full-time affiliate marketer for Clickbank, I actually made over 500,000 in the process. I moved away from Clickbank because certain products that were really selling well for me, they kind of went off the market, and I decided that I needed to move into some other realms. So the 5 methods that I used to be successful, I applied them to promoting a different affiliate product outside of Clickbank, and that makes me money today, and here's proof of that. This is all passive income that I'm making for another affiliate program that I'm promoting. So the 5 methods that I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to summarize them in this video, but I just want to say that if you want to learn more about them or you're interested in getting help in affiliate marketing and becoming successful in it, click on the link below this video and it'll take you to more information, which includes this particular subject, and it's going to get into more details of that. So let me summarize the 5 methods that I use to be a successful affiliate marketer, and let me just say that these 5 methods work either individually or together. The more of them that you combine together, the better it's going to be. The first method is actually knowing what you're promoting. You find a popular Clickbank product that makes a lot of sales, and ideally I recommend buying it. And the reason I recommend buying it is because you're going to be able to promote it better. When people know that you own the Clickbank product that you're promoting and it got you results, it makes them trust you more. And I find a lot of people that promote Clickbank products or do affiliate marketing in general do not do this correctly. They don't even own what they're promoting. They're just shamelessly promoting it. And there's a huge distinction there. I find that I made most of my sales on Clickbank when I showed people what my results were with the product that I was promoting and what the results were with other people that were using it. Now, the second thing that you're going to want to do is write a blog post review of that product that you chose to promote from Clickbank. And it's very important to understand that reviews sell. And if the product on Clickbank that you're promoting is popular, that means that people are looking for it on places like Google, Bing, Yahoo, other search engines. And by writing a very good review of that product that you chose to promote, you're probably going to get traffic to that article, to that review, and you'll be able to make more sales from that. The third thing that I did to make more sales as a Clickbank affiliate was that review that I wrote, I would get traffic to it from creating ads on places like Bing ads. So let's say that the Clickbank product that I chose to promote is called, lose belly fat in 30 days or something like that. And that's the name of the product. If it's popular, people are probably looking for it on the internet, on search engines, and what I would do is I would head over to Bing ads and other places, create an ad for how to lose belly fat for the name of that Clickbank product, and funnel it to my review of that product. I would get extra traffic that way and more sales that way. The fourth thing I would do, and this is something that's more beginner friendly, is I would take that product and the niche that it belongs to and write as many blog posts as possible on that niche subject to promote that product. So for example, the how to lose belly fat product that I told you about, the niche that it belongs to is how to lose belly fat. So what I would do is I would find as many subjects as possible on losing belly fat, foods to lose belly fat, exercises to lose belly fat. I would actually take other popular products on the market to lose belly fat with and compare them to the Clickbank product that I'm promoting and just get as much content as I could out there. And the more I did that, the more free traffic I would get to my site. And that's a great way to grow passive income, because the more stuff you would write about on the same subject, the more traffic you would get from that. And obviously the more traffic you get for a relevant niche, the more sales that you can make for Clickbank. And the fifth and final thing that I did was I expanded on those blog posts that I wrote and basically created ads for each of them. And that would just basically get me even more traffic, and more traffic coming into my blog post means more people see my review of the Clickbank product that I'm promoting. So this can be applied to anything. So for instance, if I were to go to Clickbank right now and I would go into the subject of health and fitness, diets and weight loss, the most popular one right now is called Custom Keto Diet, and it would pay me $40 per sale. The gravity is pretty high. It's over 300, which means that over 300 affiliates are making money with it. So the popularity is there. It sells well. A lot of people are making money with it. A lot of affiliates are making money with it. I would ideally buy that product and review it really well and really believe in it, because that would make writing my review of that product much easier, which is the second method. And by writing a good review of it, I would make more sales with it. The third thing I would do is I would head over to Bing ads make an ad for custom keto diet to get more people that know about that product to that page that reviews it. The fourth thing I would do is I would talk about the subject of keto weight loss. I would talk about how it compares to low carb diets, high protein diets, high fat diets. I would review other diets that are on the subject of weight loss and dieting and compare them to the keto one. Again, more content to get more free traffic and promote that Clickbank product. And the fifth thing I would do is I would take the custom keto product and the blog post that I wrote on the subject of keto diets and everything else that I mentioned earlier, and I would make ads for each of those blog posts. So I would get even more traffic. And by combining all of these things together, I would create a full-time passive earning affiliate marketing business through Clickbank. And one thing you'll notice is that I didn't talk anything about email list building or anything like that. When you're promoting stuff on Clickbank, I find that it's easier to do it this way, and that's how I made over 500 grand on Clickbank as an affiliate marketer. Again, I will leave a link below this video explaining all of that stuff, and I really hope that this helped clear up a lot of things. Really believe in the product that you're promoting on Clickbank, because that's one of the most important core steps that you need to have down to actually do it. And with that said, thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to leave them below the video. Thanks for watching, and again, the link to the details of all of these methods as well as getting help on affiliate marketing is underneath this video in the description. So thanks for watching and have a great one.